Hello, welcome to my channel, and welcome to Lucid's Advanced Manufacturing Plant in Casa Grande, Arizona. Today is Wednesday, February 4th, 2026. It's a beautiful day here, a little bit cool in the morning, about 65 right now. It's 8:30 in the morning. Should get up to very low 80s today. Just a beautiful day. We're looking at the expansion for body in white on the north end of the factory here. As work continues to progress, it looks like it's coming along quite nicely. We will fly along the east side of the factory here, looking at the employee lots and the staging lots that are still on the east side. So this is body in white for Gravity and the Air sedan that we're looking at here. Stamping is in the upper right. Paint shop is in the upper center. And as we move on to the south, that becomes general assembly, powertrain, and inventory warehousing. So the employee lots are looking pretty full today, which is good to see. I will go ahead and start talking a little bit about my Gravity. I picked it up on the day after Christmas, so the 26th of December. There were very few issues with it, like none. I would say that the panel alignment, paint, trim, etc. is much better than my Air. Of course, my Air was a very early Air sedan. It was one of the first GTs delivered back in March of 2022. The Gravity is just a lot of fun to drive. Some differences. My Gravity is equipped with the smallest wheels and all-season tires, whereas my Air is equipped with the summer performance tires. So while the Gravity handles really well, corners well, it's a lot of fun to drive. It's not the same performance as the Air sedan. We're coming up on essentially the inventory lots here on the east side, and you can see just in comparison, a lot fewer cars in inventory now than back on the 23rd of December. Of course, on the 23rd of December, there was like 25, 26 car haulers. I didn't see that many car haulers today, so I think either these deliveries have stepped up or there's inventory lots closer to the design studios and service centers where the cars are being delivered from. Again, even the southernmost east lot, a lot fewer cars today than on December 23rd. This is just a different view of the same east lots. And then we'll continue flying along the south side of the factory and look at the main two staging lots. Of course, here we're looking at the semi-knockdown in front. You can see four containers there that will be loaded up with Air sedan or Gravity and shipped to KSA for final assembly. And this lot here, the west lot, man, it's looking pretty empty compared to the 23rd of December. There's just not many cars here now at all. So a lot of those cars have been moved or delivered. I hope it's mostly deliveries. That would bode well for Lucid's deliveries. The furthest west lot has quite a few cars, but not as many as it did on the 23rd of December. And we'll see the 23rd of December picture here in a second, just for comparison. And there's just a handful of car haulers here today. One of them that was the furthest north was loaded up with 6 Gravity. I actually followed it over to the Nikola, the old Nikola factory that's now Lucid's Coolidge site. We're just taking a look here on the east side again, a little close up. Hoping we might see a Lunar Titanium, but I didn't see any Lunar Titanium. If any of the viewers can spot a Lunar Titanium, please let me know. Please share it with everyone, and would love to see that, but I don't believe there's any Lunar Titanium out here. Here we are, we're looking at the west lots on the south side of the factory. Again, this first west lot, not many cars there. And coming up to the furthest west lot, a lot fewer cars than the 23rd. So back to my car. I'm very happy with it. I didn't drive it today to the factory because it's getting PPF, and it's also just just before it's been in for service. Some couple of minor. There's a trim piece on the inside. And I think a connection to the HUD that wasn't, the heads-up display that wasn't fully seated. So very, very minor things that the service center and the Scottsdale team that takes really good care of me. I think they take really good care of all of the customers in the Arizona region. Is fixing it for me right now. In fact, I got my my daily update from my service advisor while I was shooting these videos here. So anyway, we're just taking a little closer up view of these west lots just to make sure I didn't miss anything with the Lunar Titanium. And continuing over to where the semi-knockdown is and the little test track, you can see there's quite a few Gravity sitting out here, a few air sedans also. And another close-up view here of the west lots. I see the Aurora green, the white, the black, the Supernova bronze, all out here, but no Lunar Titanium. So next week, hopefully, or not next week, next time I do a flyover, hopefully I'll have the Gravity with me. I think doing the flyover from the front seat of the Gravity will be quite a comfortable spot compared to the Lucid Air. Of course, both cars are very comfortable, very fun to drive. Back to the comparison between the Gravity and the Lucid Air. The Gravity is much quieter. It's very peaceful, very quiet. I was going to say, probably because of the tires, it doesn't perform quite as well as my Air sedan. The Air sedan is just a lot more fun. It's lighter weight. I think it corners and handles better. But the Gravity handles pretty darn good, so I have no complaints with anything that I've seen with the Gravity. I haven't encountered any of the problems that many of the Gravity owners have. See that car hauler clear up there at the top? That's the car hauler that I followed over to the Nikola factory. It pulled out just a couple minutes while I was packing up my drone. It pulled up, and then I caught up with it as it was pulling into the Nikola factory. This is it leaving the Casa Grande site, and this is it as I'm driving towards the old Nikola site, pulling into that. And so this is just a picture of Lucid's Coolidge site. I'm not going to call it a factory because I'm not sure what sort of production they're doing here. I was told that they're doing PDI for the regions that the Scottsdale Service Center services, which is Arizona, Colorado, New Mexico, parts of Texas. I'm not sure if there's parts of Utah that are also serviced in there, but you can see that car hauler continuing to pull in there behind. You can see a few Lucids parked there behind the factory. We'll get a better look at it as we're flying along the north side of the factory now, or north side of the site facility. My understanding is they're doing a lot of logistics, warehousing here also. I don't know how much production is being done here or if any production is being done here. I know some people talk about the mid-size prototyping being done here, but I haven't received any confirmation that that's actually happening here. Again, there's a few Lucids. There's a lot of trailers around, so I certainly believe the information I've received for logistics, warehousing, and PDI based on what I'm seeing here. There's some air sedans, and then as we move further, there's some Gravity. There's that car hauler that I assume will be unloaded shortly. And this is flying along the east side of the factory, or east side of the Coolidge site. Looks like there's still some Nikola trucks here. It's just kind of interesting to see. I thought most of the old Nikola trucks were sold off separately during the Nikola's bankruptcy auction. but I'm still seeing some here. I know that Lucid has one at the Casa Grande site that they use to transport stuff around the Casa Grande site. I don't know if there's plans for the ones that are here at the Coolidge site or not. Again, we're flying along the south side now. Not a lot here on the south side. And you can see the employee lot here is actually looking pretty full underneath the solar panels. Here looks like there's quite a few people at this site. So who knows? Maybe there is some prototype builds going on here. I also heard that there's some environmental testing chambers and reliability testing that Nikola had invested in that was very valuable to Lucid. So I assume some of that work is being done here also. So just another little close-up view. You can take a look at that car hauler there, the Air sedans and the Lucids. And then just a lot of semis and trailers here being unloaded kind of in the warehousing area, I assume. And just one more view of what's happening out here to see if we see anything interesting, and really we don't. So that's it for today. Thanks everybody,